Hi, welcome to Hackintosh Factory. In this video, I want to show how to install macOS HighSierra on a PC. You can download free EFI folder for this hardware on our Hackintosh Factory Telegram channel. First, install Balena Etcher and open it. Select HighSierra Windows.raw file and click on Continue. Select USB drive and click on Flash. Now, open the Mini Tool Partition Wizard software and find USB drive EFI partition. Right-click on it and delete the partition. Right-click again and click on Create. Click on Yes. In File System menu, select FAT32 and click on OK. Click on Apply. Click on OK and minimize the program. Copy the EFI folder that you downloaded from our channel and paste it onto the EFI partition of the USB drive. Now open the GenSM BIOS file. Type 1 and press Enter on the keyboard. Now type 2 and press Enter. Now, you need to drag and drop config.plist file on terminal window. Press Enter. Type 3 and press Enter. Type this Mac model name. Press Enter. Now type 4 and press Enter. That's done. Now restart the PC and boot up USB drive. Select OS X base system and press Enter. Click on Continue. Now, in Utilities menu, click on Disk Utility. Click on Show All Devices. Select your target disk to install macOS. Your data will be erased. Now select the new partition that you created and click on Continue. That's done. Now you need to copy the EFI folder from the USB drive to the macOS EFI partition. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe on Hackintosh Factory channel.